Hello, my name is Del Bible, and today I will be showing you all the Horizontal Knifehand Strike. The basics of this lies mainly in the hand, because you're going to be hitting with this part of your hand right here, closest to your pinky. So you'll want your hand to be very flat, straight, and fairly stiff. So, for the first part, you have to get into an L stance. And then you get into your chamber position. Your front hand that you will be striking with should be facing your cheek, and your elbow should be up so that it's essentially a guard. And when you strike out, be careful not to overextend your elbow or to fling it out, because at that point, you've basically just left a giant opening. So, to do it well, it has to be short, fast, and fairly precise, even though it's not entirely a large target. All your target is just the upper half of your body. That includes chest, neck, and head. Ms. McConnell? Today, Ms. McConnell will be assisting me in demonstrating this. So, first, you will tap lightly, just push and tap, and try to keep your blows in a similar position to each other, because you want to be able to know exactly where you're going to be hitting. Now, we're going to go a little bit harder, and for this, remember to move your hips a bit into the blow so that you gain more force. Alright, and now for these last three, go as fast and as hard as you can. That's it for the Horizontal Knifehand Strike.